Hello. In the next few minutes, I will show you how to find and activate the top acupuncture points for chronic fatigue syndrome. Chronic fatigue syndrome is characterized by extreme fatigue. If you are dealing with fatigue that worsens with mental or physical activity and doesn't improve with rest, you might have chronic fatigue syndrome. Difficulty with memory, focus, and concentration are often part of the chronic fatigue syndrome package. There is no clear cause for this condition, and it often lingers for years, disrupting lives, families, and income. Fortunately, the safety and effectiveness of acupuncture for helping people with chronic fatigue syndrome has been proven in numerous studies. A searching review of these studies has isolated the top acupuncture points for chronic fatigue syndrome. In this video, I will show you how to locate and activate 3 of the top acupuncture points for chronic fatigue syndrome. My name is Dr. Baritz. I'm a chiropractor, nutritionist, herbalist, and I'm certified in acupoint physical medicine. I've helped thousands of people live better naturally, and I want to help you too. If you like this information, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to be notified when more videos come out. The first point recommended for chronic fatigue syndrome is stomach 36. Stomach 36 is known as leg 3 miles. This interesting name points to the energy-boosting properties of this point. It is said that in ancient China, when peasants were so exhausted that they couldn't take another step, they would rub this point and their energy would increase to such a level they could then walk another 3 miles. In addition to helping with fibromyalgia syndrome, stomach 36 is used to reduce leg pain, weakness, numbness, burning, and tingling. Stomach 36 is also used to regain balance and coordination. In addition to helping with fibromyalgia symptoms, this remarkable acupuncture point is said to strengthen the body, boost the immune system, and strengthen the digestive system. Stomach 36 is perhaps the most frequently used acupuncture point of all times. To locate stomach 36, place the tip of your index finger just below your kneecap. Then find the point just in front of your pinky finger. Press in there to find a tender spot. It might be slightly higher, slightly lower, or to the left or right. That is stomach 36. Activate stomach 36 by rubbing this area 5 times. Take a break for a count of 5 and repeat 4 more times. It might look like this. Or if you have a Tei Shin, it might look like this. Now locate stomach 36 on your other leg and repeat. I've put a link below for more information about the Tei Shin that I recommend. After activating stomach 36, stand up, walk in place for a minute, and really lift your legs. Notice if you feel more energy. Chronic fatigue syndrome is a complex condition and may involve digestion and the immune system. The point that I will introduce today is the amazing governing vessel 20. Governing vessel 20 is known as 100 meetings, signifying its effect on all the systems of the body. In traditional medicine, governing vessel 20 is said to soothe the liver, expel evil spirits, and release cramps. In Western terms, we know that governing vessel 20 is the most powerful acupuncture point for neurological conditions. Interestingly, governing vessel 20 seems to work on both ends of the body, in the head for headaches and dizziness, and in the pelvis for hemorrhoids, rectal, and uterine prolapse. To locate governing vessel 20, place the tips of your thumbs on the tops of your ears. Then bring your index fingers together. Governing vessel 20 is at the midpoint. You may notice a slight indentation at that point. Activate governing vessel 20 by rubbing the area quickly 5 times, then take a break for a count of 5 and repeat 4 more times. It might look like this. Or if you have a Tei Shin, it might look like this. The final point I'm going to cover today is conception vessel 4. Conception vessel 4 produces whole body effects and is an important point to treat fatigue. Conception vessel 4 is said to restore the body after collapse and has been used as a complementary treatment for stroke, coma, and physical or mental collapse. Conception vessel 4 is used to help women with problems associated with menstruation and infertility. For men, conception vessel 4 has been used to help with male sexual dysfunction and prostatitis. Conception vessel 4 is located the width of 4 fingers below the umbilicus. To locate conception vessel 4, place your hand just below your umbilicus, sending your index finger so that the first joint is just below your umbilicus. Then press into the spot that is just below your pinky finger. Depress the superficial tissue and press in to find a spot that is tender or painful. That is conception vessel 4. You might have to search slightly higher or slightly lower. Activate conception vessel 4 by rubbing this area quickly 5 times. Take a break for a count of 5 and repeat 4 more times. It might look like this. Or if you have a Tei Shin, it might look like this. Now take a few deep breaths and stretch from side to side. Your pelvis just might feel a little more alive. If you are dealing with extreme fatigue, complicated by poor sleep and difficulty with memory and concentration, I suggest that you use these points 3 times a day for the next 30 days for fast relief. And then simulate these points 2 times a day for the next 90 days to continue progress and stabilize results. And check out my video, Chronic Fatigue Syndrome Recovery, for more natural remedies. These acupuncture points have been helping millions of people over thousands of years. I encourage you to give them a try. It is my wish that they help you live a healthier and happier life. Till next time, this is Dr. Baritz signing off, yours, the Health Natural.